In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates on Wave in VISTACANA. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Back in August of 2021, I introduced you to Wave, a unique project of townhouses and condos in VISTACANA, Punta Cana. If you missed the original video, I highly recommend checking it out after today's update. It highlights the details of the project as well as how this project is expected to look once completed. You'll find the link in the description below. Now let's see how things are shaping up there in 2025. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's update on Wave in VISTACANA, Punta Cana. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos showcasing updates on numerous projects, I invite you to become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you can get a friendly reminder that a new video had just been published on this channel. And give these videos a thumbs up. These simple yet meaningful things will help this channel in its continuous growth. And share this information with others so they too can be up to date. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.